Hello, and today we have the Gemini Jets LL Israel Airs Boeing 767-300 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane on the front, identical to the one found inside, the airline it flew with, and the model of the plane. On the back is another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we could open up the window and you can see the plane inside the box, so you could have a look at it without having to take it out. And on the lid, we have some information such as the history of the Boeing 767-300 and some specification information such as length, wingspan, and feet in inches. And then some other information you might like to know such as the engines, its cruising speed, its range, and things of that nature. So let's open it up and have a look at the model inside. Opens up very easily. Comes packaged in 2 pieces of plastic. Just take one off, the little sheet of plastic, and there you have it, the Boeing 767-300. See, it's got tons of detail. Now, this is a die-cast metal plane, so it's pretty sturdy, but there are some more delicate parts that if you're rough with may break, such as very nice detailed landing gear, little like antenna things here. Now let's look at some of the lovely detail on this plane. So let's start with the wings. You can see the flaps, the ailerons on it. You can see the very nice jet engines on both sides. You can see the landing gear, very nicely detailed underneath. Got a little Gemini Jets logo, a registration here of 4X-EAN, a little base here, which is a hole for a stand if you had one. Let's go back. You can see the Israel Airlines livery, which you can see here. LL, little flag. Israel Airs, and then website. Moving back again, you have the registration of 4X-EAN and the model of the plane, the Boeing 767-300ER. Big Israel flag on the vertical stabilizer, and on the stabilizer you can see the elevators and the rudders, which is very nice. You can look at the cockpit of the plane and looking at the other side, and you can still see all the wonderful detail on this particular model. It has a length of about 13.7 centimeters and a wingspan of about 11.9 centimeters. So it's a very nice sized model, coming back in a nice presentation box, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.